In this video, we'll show you ways to delete an unwanted page in a Word document, enabling Word's Show Hide feature in the Paragraph group on the Home tab. Once you can see the hard page symbols in the desktop version, this option displays both hard page and section breaks, making it easy to locate and remove them. If you can see the page break in Word, you can delete it quickly. After enabling Show Hide, select it and press Delete. This works regardless of where the page is positioned. Another easy way to delete a single page in Word is to use Word's Navigation Pane. Click the View tab, and then click the Navigation Pane in the Show group. In the Navigation Pane, click Pages. Click the blank page and press Delete. The thick blue border will indicate that the page is selected. If the blank page happens to have a few paragraph marks before the page break in Word, you will have to press Delete accordingly, once per paragraph mark. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.